Hello again, everyone. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Please subscribe. Ramirez Twins Racing. That's Ramirez. SafeReducePerformance.com. So here we are, 2011 Chevy Equinox, rear lower control arm and shock. This is a New York vehicle, but upper East Coast vehicle. So all the snow, salt, the undercarriage of these vehicles just don't do that great. So as you can see, that is definitely not good. Had to be replaced. And there's the new one. And here we are with my colleague. Handling the other side. Pretty straightforward. Easy. The bolts came out easily. We got lucky. And there you go. Look at that. Perfect timing. We caught him mid removal.
Pressure was already off.
Okay, try to knock out. I just love how he works. He just what an expert, right? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. There he goes. Okay. Here's the other side. Driver's side. We'll just pull this off. Can I have the pry bar, please? Thank you, sir. And see how this looks. Ooh, look at that. I didn't know rubber could rust. Not as bad as the passenger side until you do this. Done. Spring is okay. We'll clean it up. A little bit of rust there, but nothing we're changing. We don't have to change that. And then here's the other shock. Obviously, with looking like that and on the bottom. We don't do that. We don't do that to our customers. Okay, brakes were done for our customer a little while back. They look beautiful still. Nice even wear. And also, just to update everyone, this is the Equinox that we did the rear quarter panel. Rear passenger side quarter panel. Done. So this is an update also on top of the new work. Came out beautiful. Okay. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. See you in the next one.